What if I told you your body reacts to stress the same way it reacts to an infection? And that's why you feel tired, you fall sick, your body feels weak, even when nothing is physically wrong. And in this video, I'll answer that how does stress change your body and why does it happen? Researchers found something shocking. Stress triggers the same immune response as infection. Normally, when your body faces the bacteria, white blood cells activate, they release the chemical and enzyme, and that enzyme or chemical enter the bloodstream. And these chemicals then activate the receptors on the vagus nerve. Now, vagus nerve is the longest nerve connecting your body to the brain. The brain receives a signal that the body is sick. So the brain activates your nervous system and your immune response to fight the threat. But here's the twist. There is no real infection during stress. Your body is reacting to stress like it's a disease. In infection, signal goes from body to the brain, but in stress, signals start in the brain itself. The brain directly triggered your immune response and same chemical changes. And this prepares the body to resist the stress. Short-term stress is okay, but when the stress becomes chronic or a long-term, cortisol level stays high. That affects your thinking, your behavior, your metabolism, and even your immune system. People with repeated stress exposure may show lower cortisol response. At the same time, stress also induces another chemical, DHEA. It stays high whenever you faces a stress because it helps buffer the stress damage. During chronic stress, your body try to adapt, but it still get affected. But our body is not designed for chronic stress. Stress was designed for a short-term survival, like escaping predators. But in contrast, today, you feel stress from exams, overthinking, future anxiety, and for a very long time. The problem is that your body is not built for long-term stress. The real question is that why our body react in that way? When the body is injured, cell releases a chemical, blood vessels leak a fluid, swelling occur in that area. This is called inflammation. And in stress, inflammation happens even without injury. And this is dangerous because it affects your brain, your motivation, your thinking, your self-control. People under stress are more likely to catch the cold. Because during chronic stress, your cortisol level become ineffective. And cortisol is the one who is responsible for handling the inflammation responses. When cortisol level become less effective, inflammation responses increases. Result, higher chance of illnesses. Prolonged stress, long stress leads to weak immunity, increase your illnesses, poor decision making, unhealthy behavior. So now you understand that long-term stress is not good for your body. So the real danger is not the stress itself. It is how long your body stays in it. Because your body can handle stress, but it cannot survive in it forever.